to archive post from your Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can archive your post from your Facebook timeline. So if you want to archive your post from your Facebook timeline, you have to follow this step. So to archive post from your Facebook timeline in 2024, you can use the archive feature for your story, but Facebook doesn't have the direct archive option for your regular post. Instead, you can hide posts or change their privacy setting. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to open the Facebook app. You have to open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. And you have to click on the profile picture or name to access your profile. And you have to scroll or find the post that you want to locate or that you want to archive. And after that, tap on the three dot. And here you can see the move to archive option here. So you can choose the move to archive option on your post. Also, you can go to archive setting and on your archive if you want to onto your archive, you have to select that video and go for the restore option. So here you can see that you can simply archive your post from your Facebook timeline. This is the step how you can archive the post from your Facebook timeline. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.